The iPhone X is one of the most awaited devices to ever be released by Apple, but the overall look and feel is supplemented by the stunning wallpapers. The motion wallpapers have been changed after a long time, but are currently exclusive to the iPhone X. However, you can grab them right away. It's incredibly easy to get iPhone X wallpapers on your device. You can download all the iPhone X wallpapers right here to get an iPhone X-like look. So, let's begin. First, open your web browser and download all the files one by one. Or which one you like. Now, you need this application. Download it from Play Store. This app contains lots of other cool wallpapers. You should try them too. They are awesome. So, let's back to our topic. Go to Local tab. Here you can see all the video files that you downloaded. Select the one you like, and set it as wallpaper. While all the official wallpapers show motion when pressed hard on the screen, but these are static and won't show the same behavior. It will only replicate iPhone's attractive styling. Don't forget to try other cool wallpapers from this app. Trust me, they are amazing. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon to get more amazing videos.